Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to use Sendit on Snapchat application. Now I'll go step by step on showing you how to use Sendit. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now first thing first, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service. Only then you'll be able to follow the step. Also make sure that you've already downloaded the Sendit application on your device and you have linked your Snapchat application with Sendit. Without any further delay, let us get started. So open the Sendit application. So here the interface looks something like this. Now right in the center there you can see there's a question. So in order to edit it or in order to change the question, all you have to do is tap on edit, which is right in the bottom. Now what you have to do is just tap on the dice, which is right in the corner on the left side. You can see you can change your question. So if you're not satisfied or if you're not happy with this question, now once again do the same process, that is tap on dice. Now once you've selected your question, just tap on done. Now in case if you want to share it on your Snapchat story or with your friends, all you have to do is tap on share, which is right in the bottom. Now what you can do is just take a picture or take a snap. Now here as you can see, the picture or a snap has been taken. Now in order to share it or send it to your friends or in order to share it on your Snapchat story, what you have to do is just tap on story, which is right in the bottom. So now there is another pop-up window. Now tap on add, which is right in the center. Now here as you can see that the story has been posted, and this is how you can use Sendit on Snapchat application. Now the process goes on and there are a lot more features about the Sendit. You can go through it, and that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.